Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get your partner code in XM Trading. Right now I'm here on my own account and that's not a partner account. So what we need to do, we need to create a partner account. So we click on the plus icon, xm.com, and then right now we click here on partnership. Then from here we click on become a partner, and then right now we need to fill in all the details right here. So make sure that you fill in your personal details, address details, contact details and your business information. And then after this, create a password. Make sure that you check this one and then we click on open partners account. Then after that, you will receive your own code that you can use as a referral, and they will send also the code to your email address, and then you can enjoy from these benefits right here. So this is how you can get a partner code with XM Trading. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.